This class we are going to learn about internationalization attributes. Internationalization attributes. Internationalization attributes. That is what we are going to learn in this video at Palmobs Foundation LIT Schools. At Palmobs Foundation LIT Schools, we are making computing easy. I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number. At the same time, this is my email address. So let's continue. What are internationalized? Well, what are internationalization attributes? There are three internationalization attributes which are available for most. So although not for all XHTML elements, we have dir, or this one we have lag, we have XML at the same time with the lag. So let's see the dir attribute. What is the dir? The dir attribute. The dir attribute allows you to indicate to the browser about the direction in which the text should flow. The dir attribute can take one of two values, as you can see in the table that follows. So we have value at the same time meaning. We have the value at the same time the meaning of that value. So we have LDR, which means left to right, meaning that the default value should be left to right. Then we have RTL, right to left, right to left. For languages such as Hebrew or Arabic that are read right to left, that are read right to left. So in some scenarios, we find like those Arabic books, we read starting from the right to the left. So an example is this. Let us have an example. So I copy this, then I bring it into my text editor, I press new, then I paste there, and I save this one. To save, I told you, you click on file, then you choose save as. So on save as, you come to your desktop here in a folder called website. In a folder called website. That is why we're saving our files. So I'm going to call this dir.html and I save it. So after saving it, I can continue to add other files. Let us continue here. So I open this. I can open this. Open it. I copy it. Then I bring it here onto my text editor and I save. So after saving here, as how you are seeing it here, we are having the HTML dir direction of our text should be right to left, meaning that our text should be placed on the right to left. So let us see how it will place this one. So I will come here and refresh and run this dir file. So this dir HTML file. I think you can see it here now. Our information starts from the right and it is going to the left direction. So now let's say that we changed this, we removed this RTL and I save changes and I come back here and I reload. So do you see now it is moving from the left to the right direction. So that is the importance of dir in web design. So let us continue. Let us continue. This will produce the following result. So I think you have seen it here already. It is there. That is it. So let us continue. We are saying when dir attribute is used within the HTML tag, it determines how text will be presented within the entire document. When used within another tag, it controls the text direction just the content of that tag. So the lag attribute. So let us now go to the lag attribute. That was the dir attribute or the direction attribute. So let us see the lag tag. So the lag tag attribute allows you to indicate the main language used in a document. But this attribute was kept in HTML only for backwards capability with earlier versions of HTML. This attribute has been replaced by the XML then lag attribute in new XHTML documents. The values of the lag attribute are ISO 639 standard 2-character language codes. So you can check it out through this link. You just click on that link, or you just pause the video and then you type this in a web browser for a complete list of language codes. So let us see an example here. So I will highlight this one. I copy it and I bring it here. So we can remove this and I paste there this. So lag, you see lag here. So we have the lag as en, meaning that English language. So let us see. Let us refresh our browser and see what happens. This page is using English language. So this is how you specify to confirm that your work is in English. So now this is it. So just save changes and go and open up your dir folder here. dir folder here, and then you will be able to see the code. So this page is using English language. So that is how we do it. So let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. So let us continue. So thank you for watching. Let us continue. The XML or lag attribute. So now the XML or lag attribute is the HTML replacement of the lag attribute or the language attribute. The value of the XML and lag attribute should be an ISO 639 country code as mentioned in previous section videos. So those are the previous video. Now they have generic attributes. Generic attributes. Here is a table of some other attributes that are readily usable with many of the HTML tags. So we are having an attribute, we are having options, we are having a function. We are having an attribute, we are having options, at the same time we are having a function here. So we are having align, meaning that the align takes the options of right, left, center, the values. So function horizontally aligns tags. Then we have vertical align or V align. So this one top, middle, bottom, vertically aligns tags within an HTML element. Then we have the BG color, numeric hexadecimal RGB values, places a background color behind an HTML element. So now we continue background. We use options URL, places a background image behind an element. So let's continue. Let's continue. We have an ID, user defined. So names an element for use with the cascading style sheet. Then we have a class, and the class uses it is for user defined class, user defined, then classifies an element for use with the cascading style sheets. Then we have width, and that is the numeric value, specifies the width of the table's images or table cells. Then we have the height, and here we are saying that numeric value, it takes the numeric values, then specifies the height of tables, images, or table cells. Then we have the title, user defined. In this, it pops up title of the element. So let's continue. We will see related examples as we proceed to study other HTML tags. So my dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching.